Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Jashwant, a ServiceNow developer at Palni. In today's video, we will understand how knowledge management works in ServiceNow and see the knowledge article lifecycle with a real scenario. Let's start with the scenario. In many organizations, employees often face issues while installing Microsoft Outlook on their mobile devices for official email access. Because of this, the IT team support receives many repeated incidents related to Outlook installation and configuration. To reduce these repeated tickets, the IT team decided to create a knowledge article in ServiceNow so users can follow the instructions and solve the issues by themselves. First, open the application navigator and search knowledge. Then, under the self-service module, click on My Knowledge Articles. And click on New to create a new article. Now select IT Knowledge Base and choose the template as standard and click Next. We are using standard template here because it is meant for general user guidance articles. If there is any issue or error that needed to be documented along with its root cause and workaround, we can use the known error template. After that, enter the short description. In the article body, add step-by-step instructions explaining how users can install and configure Outlook on their mobile devices. After filling the required details, click Submit. Now the article is created in the draft state. When you click Publish, the article moves to the review stage where a knowledge manager checks the content for accuracy and completeness. After the review, the article moves to the approval stage where the approval verifies and approves the content. Once the approver approves the article, it is automatically moves to the publish state. Users can then search for the article in the knowledge portal. Follow the steps and resolve their issues without contacting IT support. They can also rate the article, provide feedback, and flag the knowledge article if they find any errors, helping the knowledge team improve the content over time. If the article becomes outdated or is no longer needed, it can be moved to retail state. A knowledge manager or authorized approver must review and approve the retirement request. Retired articles are hidden from end users but remain accessible to knowledge managers, knowledge admins, and the other users without appropriate roles for audit and historical purpose. This is how knowledge management works in ServiceNow, helps reduce repeated incidents, improve efficiency, and enable users to resolve issues independently. Thank you for watching.